I'm going to investigate what everybody really wants, whether they act like they want it or not. They want happiness. So all the philosophers have said that. And if you look at Socrates or St. Augustine or Aristotle and everybody all across the East, the whole idea is that people want to be happy. What does it mean? And how do they get it? And I said, I'm going to dedicate all of my tools as a quantitative social scientist with a background in these big and diffuse questions to what happiness means and how we can get more of it. The feeling of happiness is evidence of happiness. It's not happiness itself. When you look at the evidence and you look at survey data and experiments that see who's happier than whom, and you look at the elements that are well aligned or poorly aligned in their life, you find that happiness can be broken down into 3 macronutrients, 3 elemental parts: enjoyment, satisfaction, and purpose. So enjoyment of your life, satisfaction, which is the joy that comes as a reward for your hard work and sacrifice, and meaning and purpose. What's my life all about? If you can answer affirmatively to the enjoyment, satisfaction, and purpose questions in your life, you'll be a happier person. If you want to be a happier person, that's where to look. If you find you're not happy enough, it's because you're lacking in one of those things. That's what it comes down to. That's a summary of what I study and what I try to help people find. The mission of the Leadership and Happiness Laboratory is not to do some brand new whiz-bang bench science about the factors leading to happiness. It's how can leaders learn to be happiness teachers? How can we teach leaders in all walks of life, other professors at other universities, politicians, community leaders, executives at corporations, heads of families? How can we teach them, number 1, that they are happiness teachers, and number 2, how they can be better happiness teachers, starting with their own happiness, and then how they can spread those principles to other people? That our Happiness Lab's goal is discovering the cutting edge ways that all leaders can be happiness teachers.